Have you ever stumbled on a free AI tool promising Hollywood-level videos from your images, only to get slapped with a paywall or a watermark so big it ruins your entire creation? Yeah, me too. That gut punch moment when you realize you've been played. But what if I told you there's a 100% free, no-strings-attached way to turn any image into cinematic AI videos, with zero watermarks, no hidden fees, and no cheap tricks? No, this isn't hype. Today, I'm handing you the exact method I use to create jaw-dropping AI videos for free, using a tool that works flawlessly on both PC and mobile. Here's the ugly truth about most free AI video generators. They lure you in, then block your export with a paywall. They crush your video quality unless you upgrade. Or they stamp it with a hideous watermark, making it useless for social media. To make everything super easy, I've broken this tutorial down into simple segments. And heads up, if you skip anything, the trick might not work, so make sure to watch till the end. Here's what we'll cover in this tutorial. First, how to get unlimited free credits to generate videos without limits. Second, how to turn your images into cinematic videos effortlessly. And finally, the secret trick to remove the watermark from your videos. This is the ultimate free AI image to video generator solution you've been waiting for. Let's get started. First, search for Digen AI or simply click the link in the description. You'll land on their homepage. Click the sign up button at the top right corner. Important reminder, don't sign up with your Google account because we want unlimited credits. Instead, from here, click sign up for free. Now they'll ask you to enter an email address for verification. So go to a temporary email site. The link's in the pinned comment. Copy a temp email and paste it into the Digen AI sign up page. Click send code. Now back on the temp mail site, refresh until you see the verification email. Open it, copy the code, and paste it back into Digen AI. Boom, you're in and you just scored 300 free credits. And that's enough to create about 10 videos right away. Now, you might be thinking, where's the unlimited credit part? Here's the trick. Simply refresh your temp mail to get a new email address, then open a new tab in incognito mode and repeat the sign-up process as many times as you want. This is how you get unlimited free credits to create videos without paying. This is a limited time trick, so take advantage while it lasts. Now if you check out the dashboard, you'll see some pretty incredible videos that other creators have already made with Digen AI. If you like any video style, just click on it. You can copy the exact prompt they used or hit remix to recreate the same style automatically. This feature makes it insanely easy to create stunning content fast. Step 3. How to turn an image into a video. Now let's create a video from scratch together. Click Create, and you'll arrive at the Creator dashboard. From here, just click Upload and easily upload your image from your device. Once your image is uploaded, just paste your video prompt. Don't worry if you're not sure how to write a great prompt. Just type something simple, then hit Prompt Enhance. Digen AI will automatically turn it into a professional polished prompt for you. Next, click here to choose your video model. You'll see 3 different animation options. So which one should you pick? RealMotion Turbo. This is best when you want your video to render quickly. Use it when speed is more important than having perfect quality. RealMotion, this has better animation. Choose this when you want a balance of quality and speed. Lastly, the 2.5 Ultra. This is the premium model. It gives you super realistic animation with detailed cinematic expressions, but it takes longer to generate. Pick whichever fits your needs. I'm going with Turbo because it balances quality and speed perfectly. Next, you can pick background music for your video. Just hit play and find a track that fits the vibe. And yes, it's all copyright free. If you want to add a voiceover, you can do that too. Just click upload and add your audio file. Then turn on lip motion so the AI syncs the video's lip movements with your voice. This works great if you're making AI avatars. Now choose your video duration. Once everything's set, just click generate video. And boom, in just seconds you'll have a stunning 4K quality video ready to go. To remove the watermark from your video, here's the trick. Once your video is ready, click on it. Tap the 3 dots, and download it immediately, before the watermark even shows up. You gotta be quick, or else the tool will slap a watermark on your video. Now that we've downloaded our video, let's check if the trick worked. And yep, it worked perfectly for me. And that's a wrap on this Digen AI tutorial.